Mrs. Smith showed me how to make a fun drawing with a pair of scissors. You just need a plain piece of paper and a pair of scissors. You want to lay them down in a position that looks interesting to you and then use that one hand to press down on them and holding your pencil straight up and down, trace around the scissors. Now, this could be challenging. Don't let yourself get too frustrated. Try it a couple of times and ask for help from someone else in your house if you're having trouble. Don't forget to do the insides of the handles. And you have a mysterious pair of scissors. Now, Mrs. Smith was talking about turning the scissors into a bird. So that's what I'll try today, but you could turn these scissors into whatever you wanted to. As a matter of fact, you don't even need to start with a pair of scissors. Maybe there's another tool in your house that looks interesting. Maybe if you open up your kitchen drawer, you would find something that would be a wonderful start to a drawing. I'm beginning to turn mine into a bird. I'm going to put in a horizon line, and I'm putting in another foot. Oh my goodness, he looks like he has one foot on shore and one foot in the water. I'll work on his eyeball, and I think I'm going to make his head bigger. Oh, now he looks like Woody Woodpecker. And let's see, maybe he is about to eat something. I think I will draw a little fly over here. And I'd like to draw a little bit more to tell everyone where he is. So he's going to be outside. I think I'll draw some wavy lines for the shoreline and maybe some tall grasses. When I think about where birds hang out, they seem to like cattails, those really tall plants that have what looks like a corn dog on the end. So I'll look around for things that I can do to put him in a happy place. And when I'm done setting up all of my drawing, I think I will pull out my crayons and start to color him up. He looks pretty cool. I never would have guessed that he started with a pair of scissors.